Welcome to a new episode of Cooking Around. To make this no-bake coffee and chocolate cheesecake without gelatin, start by preparing an espresso coffee or use the coffee that you prefer and let it cool down to room temperature. Crumble 250 grams of digestive biscuits. Put it in a bowl and mix with 80 grams of melted butter. Add 40 grams of chocolate chips and put in a cake tin lined with a baking paper on the bottom. Compact the biscuits with a spoon to even out the surface. Then put it in the fridge for at least half an hour. For the cream, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese with 100 grams of powdered sugar. Beat the mascarpone with sugar for a couple of minutes, then add the coffee at room temperature. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and click on the bell to not miss the next recipes. Keep beating for a couple of minutes, then add 150 grams of cream cheese. After a couple of minutes, add 200 grams of whipping cream and whip it until it's well incorporated. At this point, take out the Biscuits Base from the fridge, put the coffee cream and level it. Put it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Finally chop with the knife 100 grams of dark chocolate. Smash the like button to see new recipes every week. For other no-bake cheesecake recipes, check in the description or the info card. After 3 hours, put a tablespoon of bitter cocoa with a sifter. And put the dark chocolate in pieces. Keep it in the fridge for at least another 2 hours before cutting it. You can keep it in the fridge for a maximum of 2 days. Remember that all you need is food, so watch one of these recipes and I'll see you there. Stay hungry!